Oh, the river knows your name, and your tears falling down like rain. All around you, suffering and pain. Oh, the river knows your name, and the river hears you cry as the lightning cracks the open sky. Oh, as your mama sings a lullaby. Oh, the river, she knows why. And the river washed you down beneath the surface, oh, with a rushing sound, as a freight train passing through a town. Oh, the river watch you down. Oh, the river, she takes away all the words you and I could never say. Oh, in the silence, darling, we will pray, we will pray. Oh, the river, she takes away. And the river knows your name, from the braces to the wash bash to the Seine. No two journeys will never quite the same. Oh, the river knows your name. Oh, the river knows your name. Don't blame me for who I am, and don't blame me for where I come from. Don't hate me for the color of my skin, and do love me, but only if I'm with. Don't do it. My back is not so strong. I say don't do it. I can carry it my whole life long. Don't push me. Please let me breathe. And don't rush me, oh, let me please breathe. Don't hurt me, you hurt me enough. So don't hurt me, you know well, I'm not so dumb. Don't do it. My back is not so strong. I say don't do it. I can carry it my whole life long. Don't judge me by the letters I have seen. Just listen so you can understand. Hey, watch out, it's the end of the road. I say slow down, you know I'm ready to explode. Don't do it, don't do it. My back is not so strong. I say don't do it, I can carry it my whole life long.